Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's my birthday, as you guys can see from the title. This is a get ready with me hair and makeup, and we're gonna get dressed, honey, for this birthday sleigh. So I already did my brows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, which is this in the color chocolate. And then I'm going in my Boss of Crayon palette, and I'm just going, I went in already with that tan color on the eyes, and then we're gonna pick up the rest from there. I'm gonna speed this video up so it won't be a long video, and let's get into it. And what I forgot to mention is I'm going to do a rose gold glitter cut crease, and we're gonna deepen it with some purples and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with that color purple. Okay guys, so I'm be talking and stopping, like speeding it up and talking in between. So off camera I did cut my crease because it's better for me to get a clean crease is to do it off camera. I can do it on camera, but it's gonna take more time. I ain't got time for that. So I did use the Tarte Shape Tape and tan sand to cut my crease. Now I'm going in. I'm gonna go in with the B Marcel and the B Marcel palette, and I'm going to use the color. I'm going in with Courage, and I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. The glitter I'm gonna be using is NYX loose glitter, and this is a rose gold color. I don't have the exact name, but it's one of their face and body glitters. And then I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue to place all over my lid. And then I'm going to place the glitter on. So we're going to speed through this process. Okay, now, guys, so now that this eye is done, I'm going to apply my wing and my lash, and then we're gonna I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and then basically y'all know my regular face routine. And these lashes tonight, very fun, full, and flirty birthday lashes. I got these lashes from AliExpress. If I'm able to post the link, I will, but usually for some strange reason when I try to link my when I try to link the lashes, it doesn't go through. But while my lash glue is drying, I'm gonna go head in and do the other eye. Yeah, so Bae came through with the birthday drink. Some Ciroc pineapple. My eyes is done. I'm gonna go in with my fave. Y'all already know. Too Faced Hangover Insurance for my face. And then we just gonna get through this quick old birthday beat. Okay guys, so my makeup is almost done. Didn't put on my lips yet because I'm still having my birthday drink. But anyway, so for this birthday hair, I am going to be sharing with you the hair I'll be wearing tonight, and this is from the Janet collection, and this is a extended part lace based deep part wig, and this is the style. What is the style? I think this is the style Gabrielle. Yeah, Gabriella. So this is what she looks like. She also comes in this color. I got it in the color 1B. This hair can be washed. It can be brush combed. Also, you can use this. You can use heat on this as well. Leave a couple of baby hairs out. Not sure if it's going to show underneath this wig, but I did do that. This has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, also a adjustable strap. As I can see right now, this hair looks very frizzy. So we gonna try to tame this frizz once we get it on. So I'm gonna apply it from the back just to see. Oh guys, this is cute as a side part. Should I wear it to the side? I usually like my parts on this side though, so let's see. Oh, should we do the side or the middle tonight? This the middle. Or the side. I think I'm feeling the side tonight. I think I'm gonna do the side, y'all. Okay, so this fits really snug on the head, which is a good thing. I did notice it came with a little baby hairs. I did pluck it a little last night. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna bring some more of my hair out, and I'm just gonna glue this down a little just to secure it. And I'm just using my 24 hours edge tamer, edge control. And then I'm gonna go in just to secure the side with my got to be glued gel and spray. I gotta get my blow dryer, y'all, so I'll be back. Do is take some of this gel. I'm gonna do it like this. So basically, y'all, for tonight, I am going out to eat, and I'm just having a birthday dinner at Ruth Chris with some family. So yeah, it should be fun. Guys, so I'm not finished. Still playing with it, and I'm going in rows because my scalp is like very light white, like. But no, I want to make sure it look a little realistic. Oh my God. So this is the quick finish results. I think it looks pretty. I didn't plan on doing the side part, but for the most part, it's good. You can like poof it out if you like it poofy. I kind of like my curls, you know, more settled, and then as it get older, then poof out. But this is cool for now. I'm gonna do my lips off camera. I'm gonna get dressed, and I'll be back with my full birthday look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I got my Janet collection, Gabrielle. Oh, what is it called? Gabriella. I believe Gabriella wig. Baby look like a sew-in. Got my rose gold cut crease going on. And I got my cute clutch. Isn't it cute? I'm gonna do like some silver pumps, and I'm gonna show you. Let me get back, y'all, and show you. This is my little mini dress from Fashion Nova. So this is the look for tonight, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. It's my birthday. Okay, guys, I'm about to make a wish.